Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Sign into an administrator account and pick a destination drive with at least 10% free space. Once ready, close games and any GPU-heavy apps to avoid file locks. Next, open Task Manager and stop GeForce Experience or Nvidia container processes. This prevents in-use errors. Then open Nvidia Control Panel or GeForce Experience depending on what you'll move. This first step reduces conflicts and sets the stage for changing where downloads and shaders are stored. Now you perform the core moves. In GeForce Experience, change the download folder in settings to your chosen drive. This directs future installers. For shader cache, navigate to %local app data %bec/nvidia/gl cache or nv cache and copy the folder to the new location, then rename the old folder as a backup. If an app won't accept a new path, create a symbolic link using mclink/j from the original path to the new folder. This preserves references while relocating. Finish by restarting Nvidia services and rebooting Windows to apply changes. Then run a small driver or game install to verify downloads land in the new folder. If you hit errors, stop and revert. Restore the backup folder name or delete the symbolic link and move files back. Also check NTFS permissions so Nvidia services can write to the new location. One troubleshooting tip: if installers fail, rerun them as administrator and confirm no leftover processes. Hold file handles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.